Ever since I've been in the concert, I'm not the same person anymore. It's hard to describe actually. And I'm not even sure that concert sort of like this person sort of have done something. Maybe I should move because people, yeah. Oh, I can sit on the... I can sit. I can sit under the tree. I found the tree. And look. Or I can lean in actually. Not... Hala, there are ants on this tree. Turns out I cannot sit. But the flowers, they smell really nice. Now, maybe I can just put this somewhere. This is not nice. This is not nice. I look like I'm looking for a place to pee. I'm not looking for a place to pee. I'm looking for a place to speak. It rhymes. Now I'm not Dominic. Char. I'm still Dominic. Where should I? By the way, I think this is one of the problems. I just found one answer. I think this is decent. I may have to squat at some point, but you're seeing my tralala. I found an answer unexpectedly. I found the answer why I'm speaking like this and why I'm feeling like I don't exist anymore. I found the answer. Because maybe you can sense it, but I am being weirded out by my own manner of speaking. Like, why am I speaking like this? And then the first answer I found is that it's not very easy anymore to find yourself when you've been altered so many times and you have just gone through a recent alteration. It's not very easy to find, and I have not really spoken to anyone. Like, I haven't had a proper conversation with anyone since Monday. What is it today? Thursday. So it's kind of not kind of, but for me at least, that's a very long time to not have a proper conversation, because that's one of my needs also. And I don't know where this is going. The answer that I found. Remember, we have a dilemma. We had a dilemma earlier, like why the not having some kind of interest to do anything but just stare at the sky, but it's not depression. I have an answer now. I think it's somewhere along the lines of unrecognized loneliness, like a brand new sort of strand or something that I have not foreseen before, because I have great things that I just did in the past few days, and I don't really have anyone to speak to, like, how do you say this, to discuss them with, because I'm literally keeping it as a secret between me and you, but of course. But other than that, it's a secret. This sort of what I'm doing, the experimentations, the explorations of thoughts, I don't know. Like, I'm having so many breakthroughs, and I'm doing so many, like, steps towards towards the direction that I really want to explore, and I'm not sharing it with anyone. I'm not sharing it with anyone. I just put it on YouTube without even talking about it with anyone. And the reason why I found out about this conclusion is that I saw there's a dog. You can see a dog. So there's a human that's gonna be trailing behind it. So the reason why I found out about this is that one of my I just got done with one of my regular clients, and I was feeling very drained when I was walking towards her home. I was feeling very drained, and that, sorry, you dropped. And I'm so distracted by my reflection. I'm feeling the urge to fix my hair, and like, so I'm sorry about that. Where was I? The client, because on my way towards her house, I was feeling very sleepy. I wanna go home. I'm so tired and all of this. And when she opened the door, when I heard the dogs, because there are 3 dogs in there, and when she opened the door and she smiled at me, it's like having some like battery replacement that happened in there. Like, now I'm full charge, sort of, or maybe half or something like that, but earlier it was just 5%. But when she smiled at me and we talked for a bit, I felt that shift, like more energy, more like, so that's how I found out that I'm not depressed, or I know that I'm not depressed. Why did I say that? That's how I found out what I am experiencing, because literally I don't have any family in here, and I'm so selective with friends, and even when I'm with people, I don't really, there is always that unquenchable sort of loneliness that I'm experiencing even when I am with the people I can trust. There is always that yeah, there is, I don't know where it's coming from or how it could be resolved, or if it's possible even to resolve, because I think this loneliness comes from knowing a lot about yourself and at the same time not being reached because you're too far from the surface, sort of. Bless you. Anyway, I don't know, really. I'm confused and weirded out, and I have ideas, a lot of them, but that's just, I should stop speaking, and I hope this video is, I don't really know. I don't know a lot of things. I hope this tree is not being hurt by what I'm doing, because look, I'm fidgeting and I am taking this from the tree, this innocent tree. I am pinching it and piecing it. I think, yeah, I should stop speaking, I feel like, because I have gone in a road where there are bugs, both literally and figuratively. So